Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Chaurasi, and today we are going to solve the problem which came into Starters 227. The name of the problem is bank glitch and the problem code is bank glitch. Difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says in Sheffield there are two currencies in use, currency 1 and currency 2. Normally 1 unit of currency 1 is worth exactly 1 unit of currency 2. Chef currently has A units of currency 1 and B units of currency 2. However, he has found a glitch in the banking system which allows him to trade X units of currency 1 for Y units of currency 2, where X is lesser than Y, so this is positive trade for him to make. Chef may make this trade multiple times. However, it has to be exactly X units for Y units and not just smaller parts in the same ratio. For example, if X equal to 3 and Y equal to 6, he is not allowed to exchange unit of currency 1 for 4 units of currency 2. What is the maximum amount of money Chef can end up with? The amount of money being measured as the sum of currency 1 and 2. Input format: the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line contains 4 integers a, b, x, and y. Output format: for each test case, output on a new line, the maximum amount of money Chef can end up with. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for a, b lies from 1 to 100, x and y lies from 1 to 100. So guys, now let's understand a sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says in Sheffield there are two currencies in use, which is 1 and currency 2. Normally 1 unit of currency is 1 unit and worth exactly 1 unit of currency 2. Chef currently has A units of currency 1 and B units of currency 2. However, he has to find a glitch in the banking system which allows him to trade X units of currency 1 for currency 2. Basically, X is lesser than Y, right? So it will be profit for him, right? Because he gets more amount of currency for it. So we have to find what is the maximum amount of money Chef can end up with. The amount of money being measured as the sum of currency 1 and 2. Okay, let's take the first test case. So if I take the first test case, we have got 5, 2, 4, and 10. Okay, so from the first test case, we can say that Chef can make the trade once, trading 6 units of currency 1 for 10 units of currency 2. He ends up with 1 unit of currency 1 and 1 unit of currency 12. So the total would be 13, right? Very simple, straightforward question, guys. So I think the test cases are pretty much clear. So let's move toward the simple solution. Because X is lesser than Y, making a trade is strictly profitable and so must be done as many as possible. Thus, as long as A greater than equal to X, we can convert X units of currency 1 to Y units of currency 2. This can be done using a while loop as follows. While A greater than equal to X, A minus equal to X, B plus equal to Y, and at the end the report would be A plus B. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now let's move towards the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as A, B, X, Y. Over here in the while loop, I'm checking if A greater than equal to X. I will do A minus equal to X and B plus equal to Y. At the last, I will simply print A plus B. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code, right? Now let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as A, B, X, Y. I'm checking while A greater than equal to X, A minus equal to X, B plus equal to Y. I will print A plus B. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code, right? So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.